Hi guys, guess what? I've got a super fun video for you today. I'm not teaching you anything. I'm not babbling about anything. This is just a show and tell for you. Oh, a few months back, I had made a T-shirt poncho like they did back in the 70s, and I just fell in love with it, and I cannot quit making them. So this video is just me showing you all the ponchos that I've made. You can go and pick and choose your favorites. This is just a little fun, and we're going to have our dance party starting right now. Here we go! So there you go, our little dance party is done. And I'll just do a little bit of a conclusion for you guys. This one here, of course, is my favorite. I loved Adam Ant back in the 80s, man. And I still crush on him a little bit, but I never was fortunate enough to get to see him live. Sad, but whatever. But this is my favorite one because I think it's just, and look at how pretty these panels are, right? These shawls here. I think this turned out gorgeous. My second favorite one is, here we go, is the Linklin Park one. My daughter Shane went to see Linklin Park when they came here to Nashville with the new singer. And look at how gorgeous this turned out, right? So this has all the pinks in it, and I had a scarf that matched it, right? And on the back side, I had the scarf that matched all the purple. So by coincidence, I had all of the the perfect matches, the perfect matches. This one is just gorgeous and I love it. The one thing I'll say about this is there are some of these where I went ahead and I made them into a sleeve. And I kind of don't like it as much as leaving it as a loose poncho. Because for me, I'm short, I'm 5'2". What I find with these is it's always getting caught on doorknobs or kitchen knobs and things like that. Because you're walking and you're swinging your arms and this comes and hits that same spot. And what bugs me about it is I don't want it to destroy all my work. So moving forward, I probably will not be doing this on any more of these because I don't want to, I don't want to kill all the work I put into like my cool fashion, What else can I say? Oh, this is what I wanted to tell you guys. So I watched a video where someone actually made the sleeves with crocheted panels. And so that's my next project. So one of these days when I get that done, I'll be showing that to you too. In the meantime, I enjoyed this. This was fun. I hope you guys had fun too. And whatever else, blah, blah, blah. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one, guys. Toodles.